Add chopped garlic, onion, and green onion to a pan with hot oil. Add the sliced shiitake mushrooms. Add a little bit of pork. Add a handful of tiny dried shrimp. Add the sliced carrot and about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Add the peanut-shaped Korean rice cakes. Add a bowl of dried shiitake mushroom water. Add the lobster balls. Add the sliced squid. Add the chopped Napa cabbage. Add a tablespoon of mirin and a tablespoon of sesame oil. Lastly, sprinkle some sesame seeds on top.